In this video, I'm going to show you how to design logos in Leonardo AI step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. We'll go from opening the tool, choosing the right image model, setting the quality and style, adding an image reference if you want, and then writing a clean logo prompt that gives you a professional result. If you want to create simple, modern, flat logo concepts fast, this is going to help a lot. And if you find this tutorial useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more AI design tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, go to Leonardo AI and sign in to your account. Once you're inside the platform, look for the image menu button in the middle of the screen and click it. This is where you'll create your logo image. Leonardo AI has different models and settings, so the first thing you want to do is choose your preferred model. If your goal is logo design, a clean and controlled image model is usually the best option because it helps you generate simpler shapes and sharper results. After that, move into the settings section and adjust your quality, style, image dimensions, and the number of generations. These settings matter more than people think. Higher quality can improve detail, style helps control the overall look, and the image dimensions should be set based on the kind of logo concept you want to create. For logos, a square format is often a great place to start because it keeps the design balanced and easy to use on icons, profiles, and branding assets. Also, if you want more than one concept, increase the number of generations so Leonardo AI gives you multiple logo ideas to compare. Now let's talk about the most important part, the prompt. Find the text prompt bar because this is where your logo idea becomes real. For best results, use a descriptive, flat structure like this: subject, minimalist logo, vector art, flat white background. The key is to keep it clear, simple, and direct. You do not want to overload the prompt with too many effects or long cinematic descriptions. Logo prompts work best when they focus on shape, style, and background. For example, instead of writing something too vague, you could type something like a geometric owl head logo, minimalist vector art, sharp lines, flat white background. That tells Leonardo AI exactly what to build. You can swap out the subject for whatever brand idea you want, like a lion, a fox, a coffee cup, a mountain, a tech icon, or even a personal brand symbol. Just keep the structure clean so the output stays usable as a logo concept. If you want to guide the design even more, you can also upload an image reference. To do that, use the upload button and select a photo from your local storage. This is useful if you already have a sketch, an inspiration image, or a rough brand idea you want Leonardo AI to follow. Uploading a reference can help the AI understand the style direction faster, especially if you want consistency across brand visuals. Once your prompt is written and your settings are ready, it's time for step 4, generate. Click Generate and let Leonardo AI create your logo concepts. At this point, review the results carefully. Look for the cleanest shapes, the strongest silhouette, and the version that feels most like a real brand mark. If the design is too detailed, simplify the prompt. If it's too abstract, make the subject more specific. If the style isn't quite right, adjust the wording and generate again. The best logo prompts are usually the ones that are short, specific, and focused on visual structure. Think minimalist. Think vector, think flat background. That combination gives you a much better chance of getting a logo that actually looks professional and easy to refine later. And that's how to design logos in Leonardo AI. You just go to Leonardo AI, open the image menu, choose your model, set your quality and style, adjust the dimensions and generations, write a clean logo prompt. Optionally upload a reference image and click Generate. From there, you can keep refining until you get a logo concept you love. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next AI design guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.